Ihiala Progressive Union Oka branch has applauded the Managing Director, Anambra Broadcasting Service, ABS, Sir Obidiegwu, for sustaining the promotion of Igbo language and culture, which the organization is known for. Our correspondent, Chibuzo Obidiegwu, was there and now reports.
The group gave the applause when they paid a courtesy visit to the ABS chief executive in his office in Awka. The president of the branch, Mr. Obidiegwu, explained that the union was founded to propagate love, togetherness, and welfare of Ihiala indigents who live in Awka, and said the visit is for them to extend their hands of fellowship to the ABS towards driving development in the community and the local government area. Mr. Obidiegwu commended Sachido for his doggedness and commitment in the media industry, especially in propagating the culture and lifestyle of communities in the state. Receiving the delegation, Sachido thanked the group for the show of love while explaining that his vision is to sustain the memories when ABS was used as a platform to tell different unique stories of different Anambra communities in order to celebrate the culture and heritage of those communities. The ABS MD assured them of the continuous support of the station and told community stakeholders and well-meaning individuals that the ABS is always ready for partnership that are geared towards promoting community ideas and heritage.
Welcome. I am here, and I'm here for everybody, especially if there are things we can do together. We have a governor who, insists on excellence. I'm sure he's all about projecting the image of our people. So when I sit here and I know I have people like you, it gives me, confidence, and courage to be able to, do my work without fear or fearful.
In Awka, Chibuzo Obidiegwu, ABS News.